Akasekho emhlabeni umculo kaMaskandi wade intandokazi Brenda kaMaskandi uSicebe umfoka Dlamini wazi emculweni ngelenkosi emagcokama lo mculo udlule emhlabeni engozini yemoto ebheke eRichards Bay emcimbini ade udlala kuno obizwa ngokuthi iBastard Music Festival. Inhlangano elisana noxoxo kwabakufika lapha eMzansi i-Anti-Xenophobic Forum isikhiphe imiyalelo siboshwe abaholi beMarch and March campaign abahambe uJacinta Mangobe Sizuma uphakela umthakathi nongizwe umlando umfoka Mchunu uphakela umthakathi usekhiphe sexwayiso exwayiso abakuleli ukuthi abangathatha umthetho ngezandla wokuxosha abokufika bengakazi bebazise bona njengabaholi becampaign abahambe ngaphansi kwenhlangano iMarch and March. Kufunwa abesilisa akubonakale bebamba inkunzi beduna imoto bathwebulwa ikhamera yemoto elapha ku dashboard emfihlo. Kanti ufikele Mbalula uyakhala ngamakhehla nezalukwazi ze-ANC abaya kwabezindaba beyokhuluma ngendaba ze-ANC bengakazi bemazise yena njengosihlalo wenhlangano i-ANC. Siyanibingelela babukeli, siyaphinde sanamukela kuphinda kuphi lapho umbukeli enisibukele nikhona emakhaya. Siyathemba sinaphila nathi kuyintokozo sisiphinde sibe nani mbukeli ngaso lesikhathi. Siyathemba ukuthi nani ngasemakhaya niyaphila. Siyacela babukeli ukuthi nisixhase kuona lo msebenzi wethu esiwenzayo, ni like ema video ethu nisonwabukele njengayo lena, bese ni subscribe mthi nani ngakaze ni subscribe mekuthi nathanda ukuthi nikhulise kanye le channel kanye nathi kuze nathi soqhubeka sikhuthale ukuthi sinilethele indaba. Mbukeli sikuphathele indaba ezibhlungu kakhulu njengoba silithela lezo ukuthi umkhakha umculo kaMaskandi ugubazelwe ifele emnyama emva kokudlula emhlabeni komculi kaMaskandi uSicebe umfoka Dlamini waziwa ngelenkosi yamagcokama. Sikushone umculi kaMaskandi uSicebe umfoka Dlamini noma inkosi emagcokama ishone engozini yemoto ngekathi ebheke emcimbini obuse Richards Bay. Izindaba ezibhlungu zokushiya emhlabeni komculi kaMaskandi odabuka emsinga inkosi emagcokama noSicebe umfoka Dlamini zishaqise abalandeli nabathandi bomculo kaMaskandi. Ngokwemibiko eveze lezi ndaba ithi uSicebe ushone engozini yemoto ngesikhathi ebheke eRichards Bay lapho bekumele ayocula khona emcimbini weBastard Music Festival. Kuthiwa ubengahambi yedwa njengoba ebehamba nezinye izinsizwa asebenza nazo. Bebehamba emotweni ngesikhathi kwenzeka ingozi, kwathi uSicebe washonela khona lapho endaweni yesigameko. Enye izinsizwa ebikade ihamba naye nabekhona emotweni yona kubikwa ukuthi ilimele yaphuthunyiswa esibhedlela ukuze ithole ukuyilwasha kodwa nayo imbiko uyiveza ukuthi nayo igcine edlula emhlabeni. Lezi ndaba ezishiya abalandeli bakaSicebe bekhexile nabathandi bomculo kaMaskandi njengoba bekulindele ukuthi abonakala emcimbini ekade eyodlala kona lapha eRichards Bay Bastard Music Festival. Lezi izindaba esithola ngaphansi kwekhasi iRichards Bay Online News lapho bidlulisa khona amazwi endodozo kubangani, kubalandeli nakubo bonke akade besebenza nenkosi yamagcokama. Kanti okuyibona bakazile ukuthi basheshe bafike endaweni yesigameko uKhuzani Dlamlenze umfoka Mpongose uNtencane umfoka Zondi. Mbukeli ilezo indaba ezibhlungu kakhulu esinazo namhlanje ngaphansi kweBantu TV1 lapho khona sidlulisa nathi amazwi endodozo emndenini wenkosi emagcokama, abalandeli nabo bonke nje abantu abalandela umculo kaMaskandi ngungachimi. Inhlangano elisana nokuxoshwa kwabokufika lapha eMzansi ibizwa ngokuthi i-Anti-Xenophobic Forum ikhiphe umyalelo ukuthi kuboshwe abaholi becampaign iMarch and March abahamba abokufika lapha eMzansi abangenawo amaphepha mvumo ukuba lapha eMzansi. UJacinta Mangobe Sizuma uphakela umthakathi ongizwe umlando umfoka Mchunu. Lenhlangano ithi ababoshwe laba njengoba ibika ukuthi lokho abakwenzayo yokuxosha abokufika lapha eMzansi akukho emthethweni. Ngalokho bakhiphe umyalelo ukuthi kuboshwe bona laba abahola lemikhankaso iMarch and March.
We call on the Gauteng provincial government to demonstrate leadership by rejecting xenophobia in all its forms, protecting vulnerable communities and strengthening social cohesion. condemn xenophobia now. The Gauteng provincial government must publicly and unequivocally condemn all forms of xenophobia, Afrophobia, hate speech, intimidation, and violence against migrants. March and March ringleaders, Jacinta Ngobesi, Zuma, Nkosana, Ndabandala, Mchunu, and others must be arrested for hate speech, inciting violence, and in the Pakamatani case, assaulting migrants.
Bukele uphakela umthakathi yena uxwayise abahlali balapha eMzansi ukuthi abangamuzi ukuyithathela umthetho ngezandla oqosha abokufika lapha eMzansi bengakazi bebazise bona njengabaholi bayo icampaign le iMarch in March.
Sanibona bafowethu umsebenzi wethu sabeka umhla ka-30 sathi masibeka umhla ka-30 bahamba abantu abaningi kodwa abanye abahambanga ingane zakwethu. Ifocus njengamanje isekutheni abantu bakithi ke sekuphungukile yonke laba abantu abaningi abantu bakithi abathole phela lezi zitolo abathole lama salon abathole lama barber shop abathole lama car wash abathole lama hardware. Ngakho ke sila nje bafowethu ezweni sithi umsebenzi uyaqhubeka awuqhubeka umsebenzi aqhubeka abantu bokufika bafowethu abahambe basazohamba asikhethi umuntu omnyama wonke umuntu amaSomali amaBangladesh amaPakistan amaNigerians abantu okuyibona basigolozelayo la izweni. Ngithi insizwa zamakhosi zonke ayisukume ningali weinsizwa zamakhosi ake siqale sihlangane ake siqale sibambane si-understandane sazi ukuthi sifunani ngaphambi kokuthi siqale silwe ningaqali ngokulwa. Enye into engicela ukunixwayisa ngayo weinsizwa uyabona lento ephethe abantu yokuthi hayi lapha kungakithi yimi engizokwenza ukuthi lapha kungakithi. Niyabona ukuthi amaSomali anigolozela kanjani, niyabona ukuthi ama-Ethiopians anigolozela kanjani because nina nilwa lento yokuthi nifuna ukuthi hayi ngeke thina sizwe uphakela kuyena wakule ndawo lento sizozenzela. Ayafeyila lawo ma-operations afeyiliswa into eyodwa ukuthi anikaze nithole ingqikithi yobunsizwa yokuthi lento iqondwa kanjani. Ngiyacela ningavumi ukusebenzisa isingakini, ningavumi ukusebenzisa ipolitiki niyifihlile ngoba yikho benigolozela kanjela abantu bokufika. Musani ukuvuma ukugolozelwa ngabantu bokufika, musani ukuyosebenza nodwa, lindani. Akuyona into lena ongayiqeda ngesikhathi esincane ngoba phela indala lento ikhona. Niyabona manje laba bantu niyabajwayeza ukuthi nina niyagolozeleka. Cela niyeke leyo nto leyo, cela nibekezele. Ngicela futhi laba abahlela lamamashi ake beyeke ukuhlela amamashi ngamagama ethu bethathe imali zabantu isidingo singekho. Umsebenzi uyaqhubeka, abantu bokufika bahambe, siyeza nangakini sizofika bazohamba bona. Kungathatha isikhathi eside kodwa bazohamba bona. Insizwa ziyayihlanganisa, insizwa zibambene njengamanje, insizwa ifuna izwe lazo, zilinde igama insizwa ukuthi fanele zenze njani. Okwamanje sithi asibabambe ngopeaceful kodwa sizophuma lapha ayizonto inkaba.
Uphakela umthakathi ukhuluma lezo indaba nje umphakathi waseNanda ubonakale ungena usina udidelana esitolo lezo zabokufika usutapa uthatha izinto zabo abayithengisa esitolo wena ngane encane yesikole, wena ntombazane, wena mama, wena baba, wena mkhulu kuyiphuma ngena uNombani ephuma nesijumbane sakhe uNombani abanye bebefika ngamabhala ungafunga ukuthi bebeyostocka ngendlela kade betapa ngayo. Abanye ke kulesisenzo abalapha eMzansi bathi vele laba bokufika sebedinga kona ukuthi benziwe kanjena ngoba abezwa kunini betshela ukuthi abahambe into ezosiza ukuthi bathathele zona impahla zabo ezitolo ukuze bezogcina ukuthi mebekuthiwa abahambe bona bahambe bebuye ungabe ngabe bethathelwa impahla ilabo bazozwa khona ukuthi ngempela abahlali baseMzansi bakhathele ibona njengoba ke mbukeli kwenzeka njena lapha eNanda umphakathi usuze utapa nezinye indawo zithi lokhu vele osekumele kwenziwe kulaba abokufika kakhulukazi labo abanezitolo njengoba umkhankaso weMarch and March uthi akekho noyedwa umuntu okufika lapha eMzansi okumele aone isiphaza shop lapha eMzansi. Iphaza shop indlela noma iwona amathuba ukuthi balapha eMzansi bakwazi ukuthi nabo bayicebise ngawo, bakwazi ukuthi nabo basimame ngawo emnothweni. Uyakhala ufikile Mbalula ngezalukwazi namakhehla abavele baye kwabezindaba nakuma podcast bekhuluma ngeindaba zeqembu iANC lapho khona bafike bekhulume ngeindaba bengakazi bemazise yena njengosihlalo wenhlangano iANC.
Most of the leaders of the ANC, older people, I see them in podcasts. I've never heard them except Mike Maharaj and Matthew Posa. If Matthew Posa say this and President Mbeki, those are leaders I appreciate. President Mbeki even writes down and send letters to me and the officials and say, I disagree with this and that. You may not like what he says, but that's engagement. He can stand at any podium and say, yeah, Umbalula, as the SG, I did tell him about these dangers. And they did not respond to me about this. Not people who just, who are members of the NEC, was off, who go to podcasts and all of that. I can't kill the messenger. Ndlozi is doing a great job, as far as I'm concerned, and all other podcasters. I'm not really saying it in terms of what is ensuing now about McG and others and so on, but I'm just saying that you've got a choice about a podcast. You go or you don't go.
Yes.
Because they invite you. JJ and them is still waiting for me. I will go when I have time. You yourself, Ntebu, I don't know when is yours coming. And then there are many podcasts. And when you guys interview us there and we agree to come, it's our choice. You can't be blamed for that. It's a podcast add to the public discourse. And the podcasts are not regulated. So that is why the boys can even drink and do things that normally, in terms of the prescripts of the law, will not even appear on TV about other things. So they call it what? Uninterrupted what? Yeah, it is not edited. You get it the way it is. So people, they call it chillers. So you chill there. So you say everything you like and so on. So we can't be at war with people who are giving people platforms and all of that. So when I go there, I must be circumspect. But over and above, I must engage with the debate. It's part and parcel of enriching the culture of national debate in the country. Nothing wrong with that. Don't misunderstand and go and say that somebody's been taken on because he's not allowed to express their views and all of that. No. I saw people debating fundamental issues Mam Nkosazana is raising in that podcast about the real issue of the immigration. And that is the debate we are having in the country. And they are insulting her and all of that and swearing at her that, no, she's a sellout, she's what, and so on. No, we are not up to that. Can we stop this debate of social media, Twitter? Allow the debate, engage with the substance of what is raising. But attacking the persona of a person is not.
Ukusho lokhu nje njengoba kubonakala amaqembu amaningi eANC okhuluma nabezindaba uzokhumbula ukuthi inkosazana Madlamini Zuma noma unkosazana Dlamini Zuma ubonakala ekhuluma nabezindaba lapho ezephutshuza khona indaba ukuthi ufikile embelolo wasithola kanjani isikhundla sokuba usihlalo wenhlangano iANC.
You tried again in 2017, and what do you think happened there?
I have no idea. I thought I was going to win, but maybe money, maybe, I don't know.
There is a big problem of money that did come out. When you looked at those statements that nobody denied.
Yeah, I mean, you remember there was also a voice thing from Lamula saying they're waiting for the money because this NTZ thing is going to disturb if the money doesn't come. So,
what does that make of that ANC leadership that came out of that conference?
Well, since then, money has played a big role in the ANC.
You reckon even in 2022, money was central?
Oh, you remember there was money that was found in somebody's room, 500 million, on the first morning of the conference.
In
first day of the
2022?
Yes. And also, Balula was dishing the money in the clinic. So Mani has played a role in the ANC.
He was dishing money proudly,
Yeah,
like openly
yeah. It wasn't like a secret.
to be elected as the SG.
To be elected and for the president to be elected.
But the ANC rules are clearly, or are they not? Are they silent about the use of money? As I understand, the use of money is criminal in terms of conferences of the ANC.
Money was used. We all know. We all saw it. At least in 22, we saw it. If you ask anyone who worked at the clinic at the time, they'll tell you. Even the media reported it, so it's not I'm not revealing a secret. The media reported it at the time.
What do you think it translates into this leadership board conference?
Well, ANC money is playing a big role in the ANC in choosing leadership. That's what I can say. Because it was in the media and we saw it.
Sibamba lapho ke mbukeli ezanamhlanje besiphathele zona. Siyathemba ukuthi sisingisane kahle. Mbukeli mengabe siphathane kahle kwaze kwafika lana esikhona nje manje. Sicela ukuthi ungalenzi iphutha ukuthi ungalike, ungasubscribe, mewuthi bonke akaze wasubscribe ukuze sizoqhubeka siphinde futhi sihlangane nakumanye ama video alandelayo ngokuzayo.